My Exploratorium exhibit is the glowing discharge tube. The glowing discharge tube is a glass tube with a gas like argon or neon inside it. By sending a high-frequency electrical current through the tube, the gas inside is excited to the point that it actually becomes glowing plasma, the fourth state of matter. As you may recall, plasma is an ionized gas which has lost some electrons, giving it a positive charge. Because plasma is ionized or charged, it can be easily influenced by a magnetic field, and in this case, the handheld magnet. You can actually see a glowing blue looping string-like plasma strand which forms along the magnetic field lines of the handheld magnet. The discharge tube is basically the same thing as a fluorescent light bulb because it works on the same principle. Instead of having argon or neon gas inside the tube, there's mercury vapor. And when this gets excited by an electrical current, the mercury vapor plasma creates the white light that we see. The northern lights, or aurora borealis, is an incredible example of ionized plasma in our upper atmosphere, created by charged particles from the sun called the solar wind. The sun is constantly giving off solar radiation. During a solar flare-up, a burst of solar plasma is ejected from the sun, surrounded by a magnetic field that stretches almost like a rubber band, and finally snaps. Because this solar flare is ionized plasma, it can be affected by a magnetic field like the one that surrounds the Earth. This solar storm of plasma contains several billion tons of ionized plasma traveling at a very high speed. When the solar storm approaches the Earth, something very strange happens. The Earth's invisible magnetic shield deflects the storm so that the charged particles are drawn toward our north and south poles. The side facing the sun experiences what are known as daytime auroras, which we can't see due to the sun's light. But as the solar storm passes the Earth, our magnetic field also funnels the charged ionized particles back to our poles, creating auroras that we actually see at night. The discharge tube demonstrates how we can create plasma inside a fluorescent light bulb, but it also demonstrates how the northern and southern lights are created and influenced by our magnetic poles.